Good morning, class. Good morning, Mr. Cooper. I am very happy that you all came to the first day of school. You will all have lots of fun and you will learn very well. I'm sure that I will have fun with you and you are all awesome. 'Cause it's your first day of school, I can understand that you're a bit shy. Are you shy? Yeah, I'm very shy. I'm not shy at all. I'm smart. I don't know you kids very well because it's your first day of school and I saw you the first time. So I would love to introduce myself to you and you gotta introduce yourself to me. Tell me your name and your hobby. Let's start. My name is Mr. Cooper and my hobby is teaching. Wow, cool. My name is Felix and my hobby is basketball. Whoa, cool. Let's go to the next one. My name is Flory and I love drawing. My name is Jake and I love American football. My name is Rebecca and I love to play with toys. My name is Tommy and I love football. My name is Max and I love football too. My name is Sunny and I love rope skipping. My name is Layla and I love to swim. Wow, you all have so beautiful names and fun hobbies. Yes, we do. You have a fun hobby too. I love football, of course. 'Cause it's the first day of school, I don't want to learn with you. Yeah, we either don't want to learn. Do you see that playground behind us? Over there? Yes, we do. We can go and play there and some can play football and some can play on the playground. How you like that idea? Great idea, Mr. Cooper. Let's do that. First play on the playground and then we can play football. How you like my idea? That's a good idea. Yeah. Okay, come with me, kids. Let's go to this beautiful nature playground. This nature school is so cool. I would love to learn on this. Yup, nature schools are awesome. Nature, la 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 la. Grass everywhere. Woo-hoo. Okay, let's enjoy this playground. It looks so cool. Come on, Felix, let's go to that cool ride over there. Okay, let's go. How should we go up there? I think we can take this ride. So let's push this flower ride over here down. For that we have to spin this wheel. Spin, spin, spin. You see it's coming down. Spin, spin, spin faster. Here we go. It's coming down. Whoa, it's so cool. Right? It's coming down. Whoa. Spin, 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 spin. Go. Almost there. And here it is. Let's hop in. Okay, I'm going. Hop. Hop. Now we're in the ride. Mr. Cooper, could you spin the ride? Oh yeah, I could. Let's spin it. Okay. Wait, I think it's in the other direction. No, this direction. Okay, let's spin. It's coming up, I think. Yep, it's coming up. So cool, this ride. Spin, spin, spin. Almost there. Whoa. The flower's popping out. Yay. Thanks, Mr. Cooper. No problem. Always there to help. Spin, spin, spin. Thank you, Mr. Cooper. No problem. We're we're up here right now. It's so cool. Okay, let's get off. Yep. Let's hop in this cool ride over here. Which shape should I choose? The moon, the star, or the sunflower? I think I'll go for the moon. Let's go inside. There we go. Felix, which one will you get? So I think I'll get the moon. That's a great option. Yep. Now let's spin. Woohoo! Whoa. Think we need to sit like this that our ears don't touch the green grass. Yay! This is such a cool spinning ride. Woohoo! Hey, Sunny. Yeah? Do you want to go with me to the swing? Okay, let's go to the swing. Sounds fun. Yep. Let's hop in. There we go. Okay, I'll come inside too. Whoa! Okay, let's swing. Woo! Swing, swing, swing. Now I can swing. Ooh, I fell. It's okay. Let's swing, swing, swing. Hey, this game is so fun. Oh yeah, it is. Sunny, I want to show you something. What? Come with me. Okay, look at this beautiful flower. Wow, it's so beautiful and wow, it's just so, it's almost like a sunflower. Yeah, and there are a ton of these flowers. Wow, and this is such a beautiful place to enjoy. Yes, and it's a beautiful school. I will take the slide. It looks so much fun. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Woo! So fun. I will slide it again. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! I want to slide the slide too. How should I get up there? I don't want to use the flower. I'll just hop. I'm a bunny, so I can hop. Oh, this nest is so cozy. I want to slide. Let's go. Wish! Again. Wish! Let's all slide. Wish! Wish! Woo! Cooper! I can slide too. It doesn't mean that I'm a teacher. I can't have fun. Let's slide. Wish! Okay, class, let's play some football. Okay, let's play football. Yay! Now let's play football with some fun music.